at present I am taking the job full stack training in Newzeninfotech. So I am going to explain my project which I have done personally. So one of my project is background remover. With this background remover, we can remove the backgrounds to the images. I have built this project by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I will show how to use this website first. So I have already uploaded this project in Netlify platform. So by typing link, it will be opening like as like Facebook website or Amazon. Like it will be opening. So I will type the link. BGRM Netlify. Netlify is a platform where we can upload our code to generate the website. So to deploy the website, we can upload our code. So by uploading the code, it will be generated as a website. We can rename the site name. So okay, now I will show my background to the website. So this is my background to the website. So this is the website. So now I will show how the background will be removed to the image. So I will click on choose file. For example, I will choose this photo. If I click on this remove background, it will load and then it will be removing the background. This is how this website works. Also, we can download this image by clicking this download image. So it will be downloaded. So now we can see that downloaded image also. It is downloaded it is also downloaded. So I have done this project by using HTML and CSS. So HTML and CSS and also I have used JavaScript. So I will show the code. Already I have uploaded my code in GitHub. So I will show it to GitHub. This is my HTML code. So I have this is the thing. Actually, I have written the code in HTML. So by using HTML, I have created. So actually, I have given logo here. You can find the logo there. I will use my show the logo. So here you can find the logo. I have given the logo here. So by using HTML, I have given the logo there. So I will show the code. So here I have given the link relation equal to icon and image name. So I have written all the code in HTML itself. I have created a class called container. Then I have given heading to the website, and I have created another class called form group. In that I have given a label as image upload. To upload the image in websites, as you can see, choose file option also. So to enable that option, I have given label to image upload to upload the image. And I have given ID for this label, this particular label, and I have given button. I have given two buttons. One is remove background button, and another one is download image. As we can see this here. So choose file option. By clicking this, we can upload the image, and after clicking on remove background, it will be remove the background to the image, and after clicking this download image, the image will be downloaded as we have seen previously. So next we will see CSS code also. So this is the CSS code where we have given style to the website, and this is all my CSS code. And I have added also JavaScript also. I will show the JavaScript code. So I have used this Java code. So all this is my project. I have given API key for this. So this is my API key where we'll be creating the API key means where we will be accessing the website. So this is on my website about my laptop. If you have any doubts, ask.
What is the maximum size of the file it can handle?
Maximum size it will be, there is no maximum size. We can upload it in size of.
Finally, this project we can have many remote background apps.
And I have done this for my personal use.
What is actually API key?
API key means where we need to access the file. We need to access the website. So to access the website, we will be using API keys. That means to access, for example, if you want to access news, so for that website we will be using one API key, one particular API. So for some particular website, we will be using API keys.
How did you use JavaScript in this? How did you use JavaScript in this?
I have used my JavaScript by using I have linked here in HTML.
For what purpose?
For what purpose means to remove, to enable download option, for the background image. So I have used it for this.
So if we click download now, how is it downloading the image?
Sorry.
How is it downloading the format of the downloaded image? What is
PNG.
What is the image box we can use for upload? Only PNG or any other formats? Any formats will work.
No, I'm asking download image. If we click download image, how is the image getting downloaded? What is the functionality you have given here?
I have given the functionality here.
I cannot see the screen. Zoom it and get that.
Enable download function I have used where download video.
That is from JavaScript, right?
Yes. I have used the JavaScript to download the image to enable the download image. Actually, when removing background, the download button will be disabled. So after removing background, only the download button will be enabled.
Okay, with the behavior if we uploaded blank images or without no proper background, what is the behavior of the application if we uploaded a just white blank page, like blank image?
So
in that case, how will that respond?
Blank image, in every website, in any background website, it will be some chances for the upload when we upload blank images. And it is the same. Same.
There are so many websites remote, background remote. What is the major difference between your and what are the features we can add in this?
So there is no major differences, but I have used just for my personal use, so I have created this. There is no perfect use. I have just created for my personal use.
Explain the process of replying your project. Who need to do?
I have to explain my different method.
How to reply our project.
So can you show that? Can you show? So I have told that I have deployed this from using hyd.com platform. So I will show you how to deploy this.
What is hyd.com?
This is a platform where we can upload our code to deploy as well. It is a platform.
Okay.
So in GitHub also we can create it as a where we in GitHub we will be uploading our code files. So from GitHub also we will be generating website by deploying this file. So same as this I have done. I have chosen this platform, Netlify platform.
So we will provide our source code and it will generate as the website.
Yes.
Can we work with multiple files at a time? Can we work with multiple files at a time or only one file at a time?
In my website or
In your website?
one. So this is the platform where I click module. login, my website is login, my account is login. So I'll show how it works. So login to GitHub, already I have given access to GitHub. So it will directly logins, get logins as my login, as my GitHub is in login. So after that, here add user. So import if you click and import an existing project, then it goes to all this. So my projects are actually, I upload my project files in GitHub. So I will deploy my project files to GitHub. So I click on GitHub. It redirects as I have done 4 projects. So there are 4 projects in my GitHub. So all these projects are displayed here. So if you click on any project, it will come like this. Then you have to give your Gmail and you have to give your something. Otherwise, it will be if you can give your site name, or if you give site name, it will be displaying as for example. I'll show you how. So here it comes. Here it shows whether the site name which we have given is available or not. So if you click on check availability, it will show whether it is available or not. It is not available. So site name is not available. So actually here you can give site name, or we cannot. That means site name is not mandatory. We can change. We can rename the site name after the deploying of project also. So I will do the background report. So it is generated. It is the site name. So as we have not given any site name, so by default it will be Netlify will be giving some URL. So we can rename that URL by using site configuration. Change site name, and then here we can give any URL. We will give background remover. So let's see this. Whether it is available or not. Yes, it is available. So here it is changed. This is how I did the problem.
What was it before? What was it before? Background.
Previously, it had some default name which is generated by Netlify. So after changing, it is the URL background URL. Here it is.
So why did you only consider one image at a time? Why can't you do it for multiple images?
Actually, I just tried this website. So in future, I will be adding more features.
By posting your project on website, it will clarify the image.
Yeah.
For future, what are you can add in this project?
Just now I have done just only for one image. In future, I will be developing for more images to work on it.
You know you also use CSS in this, right? So why didn't you add still more colors to the website?
So actually, this is actually white means I have used white color. So white color, just I write this for white color. It will set white color setting. So I have